请你告诉我，就如何告诉他，我永远。
Hi, my name is Anne and I'm Ah Ling in December Rains.
Hi everyone, my name is Abby and I am acting as Wang Mei in December Rains.
我永远爱他也爱着。
The rehearsals have been great. We're enjoying ourselves. We're having a great time as a team.
So far, the set looks really good. The costumes are fantastic. And
She's gonna be very sexy. The songs are beautiful. They're written by Jimmy A and Liang Wenfu. As usual, the two talents have made great music and we're very, very honored to be able to sing them.
幸福是有希望，音乐在前面，音乐在前面。
December Rains coming this 28th August to 6th of September at the Esplanade Theatre. Get your tickets now!